One oscillation is defined as, the general definition is wherever you start you have to finish there, going in the same direction. So let's look at these. Pendulums trip to the other side of the equilibrium point. You start here, that means you go over to there. Well, you're finishing in a different place, so that's not good. The pendulums trip to the other side of the equilibrium point and back to its original release point. So now we're going like this and coming back all the way to where we started, and then you're about to move in that direction again, your original direction. So that's the answer. Well, let's check the others out anyway. The pendulums trip from the release point to the equilibrium point. In that case, and let's switch to another color here, you're just going this far. That's not it. And finally, trip from the equilibrium point to the other side. Well, you'd have to push it because it actually wants to stay at the equilibrium point, but if you were to do that, that's still not a period. So our answer is B. One oscillation is one period.